Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find and copy your Bybit UID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, we will understand why you actually need UID. So with the help of UID, you can make the transfers from Bybit to Bybit. So basically, in order to transfer your cryptos to another Bybit user, you need to have their UID and you need to provide your UID to them. Now, in order to get it, you just have to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left-hand corner, and here you will be able to see your name as well as underneath it, you will be able to see your UID. Now right next to it, you will be able to see a little copy button. So you just have to tap on it, and it will show you that copied successfully, which simply means that you have successfully found and copied your Bybit UID. So that's basically how you can find and copy your Bybit UID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.